So as we walk in, I have my door to my left, and it opens that way. I can't open it all the way right now because Ginny's box is in the way. And then there's Ginny. But then we have this little hook hanger thing. Next I have a yoga mat and a hoverboard next to Ginny's crate, you could say, enclosure. You can notice that there's cardboard below because my dad doesn't want it on the carpet just in case any like hay or like little poops get out. Then it's not like on the carpet, but he's building a wooden, just where the cardboard is, but it'll just be wood right there, just so that Ginny can come inside my room and not get rid of, or not like ruin the carpet. So this is like a fleece that goes over Ginny's crate. You can see it goes on the sides as well. And if we look inside, it's a bit dark, but you can see it. There's Ginny bed, and then it goes to the sides as well. But it's really cute. It has like this pixely diamond design, and so it goes over so she can have more protection. Since rabbits are prey animals, they like to feel secure and enclosed. So that's why I have it there. Next, sorry, my dog was scratching at the door to get in. Next, we have this little pumpkin. I got it for 50 cents, the pumpkin patch. And then here is a little cute mason jar. It usually has Ginny's herbs in it and applewood leaves, but it does not have any in it today because Ginny ate it all. And Cabby's 101, she makes these apple leaves and Ginny loves them. I'll probably get some more tomorrow or the next day. And so I will refill this tomorrow or the next day when I get some apple leaves from Cabby's 101. A lot of this stuff is like made by Cabby's 101. Katie, she is really crafty and really awesome at doing that, making her own supplies. So if I mention her, that's where I got it. So next I have this Halloween mummy squishmallow. I thought it was cute for the Halloween season, and it's just a little mummy, and it's just super squishy, as you can see, and it's really soft, but I just put it up here as a little decoration. Then I have, this is Oliver. He is just a little bunny I got for Easter one year, a few years ago, and so I thought, why not put it in the rabbit enclosure. Next, I have the CNC grid, like storage cube thing. I thought it was a cheap way because I already had it. It's like plastic lined to store stuff. Like from here, you can barely tell that it's used for storage. So in here, I have a bunch of stuff that I use almost every day for Ginny, and stuff that I want easy access to. So this is my compactable tunnel. You just like stretch it out as an accordion, and then it's a tunnel. You can bend it one way, bend it the other. And then that is that. I'll let my dog go in a minute so she stops. But then I have this food dish that's a bit dirty, but it's 20 ounces. And I got it from PetSmart. I had a matching one that said water, but I broke that, so I have that in there just in case I need an extra one. Then I have this willow tunnel. I'm gonna go kind of quickly here. And then I have this puppy pad along the side. And then this squirt bottle is filled with my disinfectant cleaner. I used to clean the litter box, any stains, like literally anything with it, because it is rabbit friendly, animal friendly. You can make it for any animal. All you need is water and white vinegar, and that's it. It gets off every stain. I showed this to Katie and she was amazed. So if you want to learn how to make it, check out my video in the iCard up above. Next in here we just have some cute stuff. So I have this like molecule toy. It has like wooden things that a rabbit could throw around, and it has a jingle ball. And then I have this cute little Santa hat. Since it's almost Christmas season. And then I have this really dirty dustpan that my dog got into. Obviously, she's less than 6 months old, so things happen, but that's my little broom and dustpan. I need to clean that. And then I just have a tile at the bottom just for the summer. I can put it in the refrigerator. If you want to see my Keeping Rabbits Cool video, I will link it in the card up above. So that's it for up above. And then down below, we have little Ginny bun. So we will start over here. So first I want to mention that I got this cage liner, or the bottom, from Cavi's 101. I provided my own fabric. I chose the gray, and then she just sewed it and made it for me. She's really crafty and good at that stuff, like I said before. And so she made that for me. If you want to know more, I will have her channel linked in the description down below. But so it's just like that. Next, I have some baby cups. I definitely recommend these because rabbits like to bite this lip, if you can see, and just throw it. And then you can also stack it kind of upside down. It's kind of hard to demonstrate right now. And then they can just knock it over. So I'll show you on the outside, but we have this, it's a bird toy actually. Hi! Ginny's eye is red, by the way, because I have the flash on, so, because it's a bit dark in here now. But I just have this bird toy. It has jingle balls and you can just kick it. I don't know. So next, we have this bed. Oh, there Ginny goes. We have this bed. Back here, it has a cute little design on it. This is also made by Cavi's 101. If you want to know more, please ask her. She did originally make this for guinea pigs, but I asked her to make a size larger for rabbits. So if you want to check out what she makes, go do that. I highly suggest it. Next, I got this today at Walmart. It was $10, and these are little little food trays. This is Ginny, what are you doing? What are you doing? These are just little metal trays. You just put them in the little slot right here, and the lip holds on, and it hangs down, and it has this metal bone on it. It was $10, and yeah, she's getting some water, but yeah. Next, I have this DIY food rack, or not food rack, but fun feeder toy. I got, I made it actually, and if you want to learn how to, ooh, I'm sorry baby, hi. I have this, I made it actually, and it is really easy. If you want to check out that video, it'll be linked in the iCard. Next, we have Ginny over here. She's grooming herself, but she just has a litter box and her hay box. I did make this hay box myself. It is supposed to be hanging. I haven't got to that yet because I just moved her in 3 days ago. So that is why it's not hanging yet. I'll probably hang it in a day or two. But right now it's just sitting on the ground and it's working fine. I got this litter box at Walmart today. She had a really smaller one before and I just did not like it. So, so that's Ginny eating hay for you. I still have to remove the sticker, but Ginny doesn't chew at any of this stuff. She really only chews on Willow and her hay. I line the litter box with a puppy pad underneath and then some paper towels. I also am going to use some wood stove pellets. I just don't have any with me right now. So Ginny's still in her litter box. She's so cute. I do let her free roam most of the day usually at like 6:30 in the morning I'll get her out, or I'll just open the door and she can come and I'll get her stuff out so she can use it. But and then I'll get her back in there at 10 p.m. So she is free roaming for most of the day. I just want to say that she's not locked in there 24/7. Next, I just have my dresser, and I have a few plants. I have this like viney plant, it's coming down. And then I have my big cactus, and then I have this mini cactus, if you guys can see that. He's right here. So then I have my desk, and then my dresser's right there. Ginny's right there. And then I have my backpack right there, just so I can do school, online school really easily. So on my chair is a denim jacket. It has a shark with a pineapple, and I got it from Artistry by Bella Co. I will link, she has a YouTube channel, and I will link it in the description down below. I love her stuff. I love this. It is wonderful, and it's great for the winter, especially right now, because in Colorado, it is currently like 20 degrees in October, which is wonderful. I love the cold. She paints denim and crew neck sweatshirts, so if you want to know more, I will have her channel in the description. So next I have my bed. I just have pillows. And then this pillow, since I love llamas and cactuses, Katie made this for me again for my birthday a few years ago. And it's just so cute. I love everything Katie makes. Sorry, the lighting is horrible today. I don't know what's going up. Hi. Oh, it's your litter box. Okay. She has this scratcher thing. So I usually put sprinkled herbs, and Ginny can dig in it and try to get the herbs out. So next I have this giant box that I made. It's a hidey house for Ginny, and I have one hole right here. I have 2 holes right here. They're a lot taller than it looks because of the shadow, and then I have one down here, and then I have one on this side right there. So you can see many entrances and exits you should have for your rabbit's hidey house. Next, I have this cardboard box with some crinkle paper, so Ginny can go inside and crinkle the paper. So, yeah, I don't know if I should set it on the ground straight like that. It's kind of hard for Ginny to jump in, but it's kind of easier for her to use if she jumps in. So next, I have my mirror. Hello. I'm wearing my hat because it's 27 degrees. And then I have this whiteboard. Comment in the comment section. Write something that I should put on my whiteboard because I have no ideas. Like, if you comment what I should put on here and then I choose your idea, I will give you a shout out in the next video. And yeah, so that would be great if you would do that. Thank you for watching this week's video. I really appreciate it, and Ginny appreciates it as well. So I release new videos every single Friday, so make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell so you know next week when I upload my video.